Welcome to Neuro Gamer Boy. We are going to save another bot. Let's do it, do it, do it. And in we go. Up, and away.
Ready to spin the wheel? Just click on the on button.
Alright, let's see. Bollywood Squares.
Ready for another brain-twisting, mind-boggling edition of Hollywood Squares? I hope so, because this is the only way to rescue your robot friend, Slob Bot, and bring him back to the future. Your first clue is a pair of eyeglasses. It will help you see what this mission is about. Just imagine what life was like for millions of people before the invention of eyeglasses. Instead of birds, they saw fuzzy blobs shooting across the sky. Eyeglasses can help a nearsighted person see what?
A cloud, a book, a plate of food. A cloud, a book, a plate of food. Glasses can help a nearsighted person see what? A cloud, a book, a plate of food. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Your turn now. A book.
No,
Oh.
try again.
Huh.
You're off to a good start. Nearsighted people can clearly see things that are near, but not things that are far away.
Ah,
What
interesting.
you call a cloud that comes in contact with the ground?
Smog, fog, dew. Smog, fog, dew. What do you call a cloud that comes in contact with the ground? Smog, fog, dew. Which one? Alright, okay. We're gonna probably pick fog. Let's do that.
Fantabulous! There is no basic difference between fog and clouds. In both cases, the moisture in the air forms drops of water around tiny specks of dust. What could help you examine the drops of water that make up fog?
Let's see. What could help us? What do you guys think? Is it a telescope, microphone, a pair of binoculars? What could help you examine the drops of water that make up fog? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Decide. I'm trying to think here. Make up fog. Just trying to see. Probably a microscope. No.
Telescopes are used to see things
Oh,
far away.
my bad there.
So far, so very good. Microscopes have lenses that magnify things and make them look bigger.
Ah,
The
cool.
invention of the microscope is what this mission is all about.
Magnificent.
Wow.
Now we know Polly sent Slob Bot to follow up the invention of a microscope.
Your second clue is the flea. The flea will show you when the microscope was invented.
Oh, cool.
A flea can jump 12 inches into the air.
Wow.
That's 100 times taller than its body. What do fleas feed on?
Do they feed on crumbs of food, dust, blood? Crumbs of food, dust, or blood? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You decide right now. I would say the bottom one. Number 3.
That's right. Fleas bite animals and suck their blood for dinner. What is the process called that moves blood from the heart to the rest of the body?
Let's see. Is it it's breathing, circulatory system, or digestive system? breathing, circulatory system, or digestion? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And choose now, my friends. Let's say circulatory system. Let's do that one. Great job if you chose that too.
Circulates around your body. The heart is the pump that keeps blood moving. The circulation of blood was discovered around 1630, 44 years before the invention of the microscope. When was this microscope invented?
So this is before, so you'd have to take 1630 and subtract it by 44. And let's see, what would that be? I don't think it would be 1644, because 1644, that doesn't make sense, because that'd be like it'd be just taking the 30 off and add no, and then adding it to that would make it 1674. But remember, this happened before, so I'm gonna give the number. I'm gonna count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5, and decide which one you think it is now. I'm gonna go before.
Next time.
Let's see, circulatory. The blood was discovered around. Oh, so this is after. Okay.
Magnificent! Scientists had tried to create microscopes for years, but in 1674, one scientist made a real breakthrough. A microscope so powerful, it unveiled life forms invisible to the naked eye.
That's cool.
Poor Slob Bot. He'll be forced to see all the invisible life forms on his dirty body. That's a fate worse than us.
Yuck, yuck, yuck. Yeah. This is gonna be great. We're learning. Okay, so what microphone wind? 16. All right, let's do it.
In 1665, a scientist named Robert Cook looked at a little piece of cork under a magnifying glass and discovered cells. Cells are the smallest parts of plants and animals.
Interesting. Okay.
Where does cork come from?
Does it come from a tree, the ground, a rock? A tree, the ground, a rock. Where does cork come from? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I know you know, and it's a tree.
Yes! Cork comes from the smooth bark of a tree.
Great job.
You can tell how old a tree is by counting its rings. Which part of the tree has rings?
Let's see, the leaves, the bark, the wood, the leaves, the bark, the wood, the leaves, the bark are the wood. Which one has the rings that shows how old it is? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Your turn right now. I'm gonna say the wood. The wood.
Right again! Every ring in the wood stands for a year's fresh growth.
Wow, that's cool.
Wood is used for many things. For building, for paper, and for fuel. In which country do people wear shoes made from wood?
Oh, this should be interesting. Let's see. Is it Australia, Zimbabwe, Holland, Australia, Zimbabwe, Holland, Australia, Zimbabwe, or Holland? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Do you know which country they wear wood for shoes? You do? Did you answer already? You did? Okay. I'm going to give it a shot. I'm going to say Holland. Come on. We got this. It's almost there, guys. Come on. You could do it. Let's put in Holland for where it was created. Or founded, or one of those things.
Jawohl! Holland, or the Netherlands, is a European country known for windmills and canals. Farmers in Holland wear wooden shoes to keep their feet clean and dry. It was also in Holland that the microscope was invented.
Cool.
Slob Bot's in Dutch. One more clue and we'll have all the information we need to save him.
Your fourth clue is a telescope. And if you answer correctly, it will reveal who invented the microscope. One day, an eyeglass maker in Holland held up 2 eyeglasses and noticed that the town church looked much closer through them. He had accidentally invented the telescope. Which part of the telescope makes faraway things look closer?
The mirror, the tube, or the lens. The mirror, the tube, or the lens. The mirror, the tube, or the lens. Which one makes something that's far away look close? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and do it right now. I'm gonna say the mirror.
No,
Oh,
try again.
that must be the lens.
That's
Okay.
right. A lens makes things look bigger or smaller.
Okay.
What
'Cause
are telescope lenses usually made from?
plastic, protein, or glass. What are telescopes made from? Their lenses. The lens. It's from Is it from plastic, protein, or glass? One more time, and then I'm reading it off. Plastic, protein, or glass. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do it now, my friends, and we're gonna see if you know. Ah, wonderful job. I'm gonna go exactly to what you chose. Glass.
That's right. It takes great skill to make successful glass lenses. Which inventor from Holland made lenses as a hobby?
Ooh, this should be interesting. John Logicberg, or Antonie van Leeuwenhoek. I don't know how to pronounce this. Is it? Let's see. Guten Mann. I'll just do one. I'll have you read it because right here, right there, right there. Actually, we're just gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's see here. What do you guys think it is? A, B, or C? Choose now. Let me see. C sounds maybe Italian, so I don't think it's Holland. I'm gonna go B.
Excellent. Leeuwenhoek's hobby made him world famous when he used printed lenses to make a microscope. He was the first person in the world to see bacteria and other small creatures that had previously been invisible to people.
So that's it. We know everything we need to find Slob Bot. I wonder what Polly programmed him to do to Port Leeuwenhoek. Let's find out.
So microscope, made in the microscope, Leeuwenhoek, and 1674, and it's the Netherlands. So remember this: where what microscope? Who? Leeuwenhoek, and then 1674 and the Netherlands. Let's go save Slob Bot.
Ready for another ride? Click on me then. Hold on.
Let's click on him and hold on.
It's time to visit Leeuwenhoek's laboratory in Holland. Can't wait to see through the lens of his microscope.
Me too. I can't see. I want to see.
Hey, Slob Bot, the smelling robot. If he sneaks under the microscope, Leeuwenhoek's in for the shock of his life. Slob Bot's taking him back. Hit the recall button before Leeuwenhoek faints. Smell alone might do him in.
All right. Let's hit there.
Oh, that's better. Leeuwenhoek observed fleas under his microscope. Not a flea-infested Slob Bot. Now hold on while I steer this contraption back. Phew, made him back. Always a good sign. Press the back button on the utility belt to leave the time machine. It does my CPU chip good to know that I've helped bring these guys back where they belong. Never give up, Boozy. You may have gotten this far, but all the help in the world won't enable you to defeat me. Here are more questions. I'd like to see you find your way out of this. Okay, pick up the quiz disc and click on the inventory. That's the only way to see what more is in store for us.
All right, well, we're going to say adieu here. I wanted to thank you so much for all participating. Remember to take what you know, use the mind that the Lord's given you. Keep pushing forward and always remembering that the important thing is to keep learning. And again, coming back to NeuroGamer Boy and subscribing and what? Saying, putting a comment down below, and I'll see you next time, my friends. Be blessed, and remember that NeuroGamer Boy loves you. Bye bye.